Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of August 28th, 2024, our system has classified Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.26. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep an eye on this assessment to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently situated at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $132.19 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline and could potentially signify the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible decrease of 3.57% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from a decline of 24.96% to an increase of 1.49%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 177.33% over the next year, with a potential return between 131.45% and 242.03%. This translates to a price range of $290.72 to $429.63 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Nvidia stock price decreased by 2.1% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, falling from $128.30 to $125.61. During the last trading day, the stock showed fluctuations of 4.64%, ranging from a low of $122.64 to a high of $128.33. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.38% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume surged on the last day by 78 million shares, despite the declining prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that risk could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 368 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $46.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $140.76, while the lowest price was $39.23. Currently, the stock price is 10.76%, or $15.15, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia's latest earnings report has generated a mixed response among investors. The company reported earnings for the second quarter of 68 cents per share, surpassing Wall Street's expectation of 64 cents. Additionally, Nvidia recorded revenue of $30 billion, effectively doubling figures from the previous year. This performance highlights Nvidia's strength in the data center segment, propelled by ongoing robust demand for artificial intelligence chips. Despite these impressive figures, concerns arose regarding slowing growth rates. Nvidia's guidance for the next quarter projected revenue of approximately $32.5 billion, which has not excited investors, leading to a 5% decline in after-hours trading. While the earnings exceed estimates, the decline in gross margins and slower growth in core areas raise red flags. Market analysts emphasize that Nvidia's strong foothold in AI technology remains a crucial factor in its long-term prospects. However, the immediate reaction to the earnings report indicates investors are recalibrating their expectations. The overall sentiment reflects a cautious outlook, particularly as the tech sector grapples with the implications of Nvidia's results on broader market dynamics. As interest rates are expected to decrease, smaller tech stocks may gain traction, potentially shifting investor focus away from Nvidia in the short term. Nevertheless, long-term investors might view Nvidia's solid position in the AI landscape as a valuable asset, suggesting that while the current stock movement may be negative, the company could still deliver significant returns as it continues to innovate and lead in its sector. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, August 27, 2024, Westpark Capital assigned NVDA a buy rating while suggesting a hold action. On Monday, August 26, 2024, Loop Capital Markets also rated NVDA as buy with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley provided NVDA with an overweight rating and advised a hold action. On Friday, August 23, 2024, Evercore ISI rated NVDA as outperform while recommending a hold. Finally, on Thursday, August 22, 2024, Citigroup gave NVDA a buy rating alongside a hold suggestion. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $127.03. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $117.89. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, August 19, 2024. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell action 8 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average presented a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy action 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy action 196 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $123.54, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.69 between its high and low, which equates to 4.64%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 4.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 64 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $126.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $123.54. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Huang Zhenshun, who bought and sold 39,377 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.340. In total, insiders acquired 0 shares and sold 1,242,189 shares during the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia exhibits several negative signals, and we believe it will likely continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of August, we anticipate that Nvidia will open lower, approximately $0.0833, starting at $125.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.